Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your Steam login activity and history. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Steam application and log in with your credentials. This is a straightforward process that gets you into your Steam dashboard where you can access all your account settings and features. Once you're logged in and viewing your Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Help. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, select Steam Support. This section is your gateway to account management tools and various support features that Steam offers. After clicking Steam Support, you'll be taken to a new page with several account-related options. Scroll down the page until you find the My Account section and click on it. This area contains all the essential information and settings related to your Steam account, including security features and account data. Next, you'll see an option that says Data related to your Steam account. Click on this option to proceed. This feature allows you to access various types of data that Steam has collected and stored about your account usage. It's an incredibly useful tool for monitoring your account activity and ensuring your account security remains intact. Now scroll down the page until you locate the Recent Login History option. Click on it to view your complete login activity. This section displays a detailed record of when and where your Steam account has been accessed. You'll be able to see timestamps, locations, and device information for each login attempt. This is particularly valuable if you want to verify that no unauthorized access has occurred, or if you simply want to track your own login patterns across different devices. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your Steam login history, giving you full visibility into your account activity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.